Continuing our conversation about tips and suggestions and your observations that you have seen about girls and women in their 20s and 30s. So, what best they can do to start taking responsibility of their own financial freedom?
Yes, Rashmi, for if not only 20s, 30s, for everybody, especially women, needs to take care of her financial things. For that, nowadays every knowledge is online, right? So for that, she has to go through the online knowledge if she is not trusted anyone. Otherwise, she is contacted her nearby financial advisor and learn first everything. First learn everything, how it works, what is it. See, banking, how much it is giving the banking industry rate of interest, how much it is in the mutual funds. And if she is interested in the share market investments, she has to learn that first. She start her investments journey. First thing you have to need to take action.
Right.
One thing, she's financial planning should be there. She may need her future, whatever that for her children's also she may need for her future career. If she is businesswoman, she may expand the business. For that, she has to invest more right now. She has to learn all this step by step financial future financial planning. First learn and then take action. Start investing in the mutual funds. And here you can double your money within 3 to 4 years. So she should start investing journey, and she should see first invest on her future. Okay, so she should not that first she should spend, and then whatever the amount left she should not save that. First 50% she should save in that in her future, then start her spending. And she see what happens. No, your father or your husband make you. Your father gives you education. This any degrees they will give you, but they will not say you to save money for your future. They'll say hum hai na. Why you are saving? Hum hai na. So even husband will say hum hai na. But what happens, for everything, if you goes on looking at the other man or other woman in the home, it's somehow you are giving your privacy or somehow you are giving dependency on them. So it
True.
starts with other things also, not only the finance. Once you start depending on the finance with for the other people, on the husband or the father or the brother, you'll start emotionally depend on other things also for them. If it affects your life.
True. And that is
And
true.
woman, yes,
I mean, that freedom, if you don't have freedom of that money in your hand, I think as women, it really feels very stagnated and stuck, kind of a thing.
yes.
Yeah.
Money means not that husband is saving for you. Money means for a woman is to money having in money in her account, in her name. That's more important for her. And she should be having that liberty to do it anything.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं कि हस्बैंड के नाम से भी प्रॉपर्टी बनाएंगे, हस्बैंड उसके नाम से भी पैसा रखेंगे. बट व्हाट इज इफ द एवरीथिंग डिसीजन शी हैज टू आस्क द हस्बैंड फॉर दैट आल्सो. अपने नाम से है तो भी पूर्व उसको पूछना पड़ता है. तो स्टिल इट इज अगेन द सेम थिंग. तो
Absolutely.
have that money which is only yours. So I suggest for a couple, you should have your for a couple, husband and wife, both should have their individual accounts for their own expenses as a individual persons.
Hmm.
The marriage is not that you are one person. There are two husband and wife, both are coming together in one goal. Okay, they are giving birth to children and education, and they are promised themselves to help each together, but they cannot be one. Woman is different on her own thing and her husband is different on her own thing.
True.
So each should have different SB accounts and save money in that. And both of them should have another one account which is for family expenses. So
Hmm.
whatever the fund is there for family expenses, that amount should go to there. And one more account should be there which is for the investments. Okay. For a family, I suggest four SP accounts. You should divide like this. One is for individual, and one is for the family expenses, one is for the investments.
Yeah. And given the uncertainty of this world, we are already seeing what's happening all over the world when it comes to women's rights and property laws. I think much of the system is designed to suit men, but still women are moving through it and still winning the game. And I think women have to start getting really, really serious about learning about property laws and everything to do with finances, be it
Yes.
marriage or without marriage. Either way, even single parent mothers, fathers, I think about laws and finance is something which everybody needs to give a eye to, right?
They know, Rashmi, right now, in latest 20s and 30 girls, they know everything about the management also. But they are reluctant to do it. They are procrastinating, or they are trusting their husband, or something is holding them to do it.
Dependency kind of a thing.
Yes, they think that this is the love. See, love is not that one. Okay,
Talk about
love
love.
is different.
Let's digress a little bit, and if we go a little on tangent, I think love is the most innocent but the most manipulated energy on the planet.
Let it be the love on the different stage, and this financial matter is different.
Hmm.
Okay, so they have to do it the by themselves. It's
Thank
a
you for
must,
bringing
and
this up. Thank you for being practical about it.
yeah, it's true, man. Practically, we are living here. No, this body is living in this world practically. So we have to do is that emotions are inner. That those are different things. Financially, you have to plan for yourselves. You have to plan for your retirements, lady. Whether it's you are working or not working, you have to plan for your retirement fund. You have to ensure that you have some amount regularly coming to you at the age of your 40 or 50 or 60 whenever you not earning, or whenever somebody is not giving you money. So you have to ensure that that money is coming to you automatically every month. That's very important than anything. I stress here in this platform that is more important than anything.
Absolutely.
Health and this wealth management.
True.
Then you can, yes, then only you can take care of your children, then only you can take care of your family, your husband, everything.
Absolutely. That
So,
sense of security will be there, yeah.
yes, that confidence you'll get now once you have money in your own terms. That's the different level of life, I tell you.
Absolutely.
And that's not against anybody. It's not against husband. It's not against any parents. This is a own financial dependence. This is called dependency, you know.
Right.
Nowadays, a woman is trying for dependency. She is fighting for that.
Yeah.
It's not that you go out and work. That's not dependency. You have your own money without working also. एंड मैं तो सजेस्ट करूंगी कि ऑल द फादर्स अपनी लड़की के लिए मिनिमम एक कमर्शियल कॉम्प्लेक्स तो बना के भेजे ताकि मंथली इनकम आते रहे
Very, very interesting idea. I'm definitely going to
yes, yes,
put this message out there for
yes.
I'll always remember every pointers you have told me so far. And every time you
Yes.
bring something new.
Yes, just think that if a father gives her child a commercial complex, which is the rent is coming every month around 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakhs, then think what she can't do. Can you imagine? She can live on her own terms with a love, more loving her husband, more loving her grand in-laws, more loving her children's. She can live the life like anything. She can give her more best, right?
Absolutely. Brilliant, brilliant idea.
Yes.
More power to you
Thank you.
and rise and
Thank
shine.
you.
Going to
Thank you,
our
Ma.
next, yeah, going to our next
Yes.
question. You wanted to say something?
See, it's not against anybody. It's against favorism of a lady. So she has to do it for herself.
We are already seeing what happened in America. People are just because of a little bit of election results, people are breaking down with their families, their friends, just because some people have some moral principles, few have different moralistic ideas about everything. But again, finance became a major thing, and women's rights came into question. So, what you are saying when it comes to having that financial backing, it totally makes sense. So, really, really brilliant idea that you came up with. More power to you,
Yes.
and more women should listen to you on that. Going to our
Yes.
fourth question, uh,
Yes.
what is it that women in India must change in themselves to be independent in all areas of life?
Okay. All areas. I'm more into financial things, but still, all areas. means- First, all areas means comes first health. The
Mhm.
second one is her emotional balance, and this financial. If you understand every woman, first understand herself. What is she? If she understand this first thing, and all other things will be become very easy for her. And which there is two things we should understand what we are and why we are born in this
Wow.
era. If you understand these two things, our purpose of birth and our purpose of living, and you can do anything. First, you have to need to take care of the health. And once you understand yourself, your things will be very clear. What you want in the life, what you want to give it to others, what you want to serve to the society, everything will be clear. She has to get clear all these things and take one by one steps. Note it down everything, whatever you want to do in life. Take step by step, one steps. Everything you cannot do it at a one stage. And go success key is consistency. You should start consistently working on your things.
Right. Okay. So
Yes.
our last question, and it is related to women in Belgaum. The last question goes this way. How do you see entrepreneurship changing in Belgavi city in days to come? And how do you see the population in Belgavi city taking up the opportunities?
Yeah, it's a Belgaum city. It's a growing, mom. It's in the tier two city right now, but it's growing like anything. Even you have seen, women is good. More of the women entrepreneurs are coming up like anything now. They are following the metro city ladies, and more and more talent in the Belgaum city. The climate is too good, and all the industries, real estate things are coming here. IT sector is growing,
Okay.
and I'm very happy that I'm the part of the Belgaum growing things. And more women are coming, women entrepreneurs are coming. We have this business women's group.
Yeah.
The women are trying whatever they want to do in their life, whether it is from home
Yeah,
or anything.
it's and also a bit of, I think, traditional part has always been there, but now women have to open their minds to learning new things. I think that is what we need to see a big change in Belgaum at least. What do you
Yeah,
think on that?
yeah, and it
Educationally.
is educationally, psychologically, you can say, right?
Mindset, yeah.
Women need to, yeah, women need to change on that. If she concentrate on her growth itself, then things will be easier. Then growth will be there overall.
Hmm.
That is there. The traditional way it is there that woman is uh, more into different things. But the recent generation, which is studying now, which is concentrating on themselves,
Okay.
those are that Gen Z generation is there in Belgium. It's also growing like anything. And even now, I am seeing the 60 years ladies maintaining a hotel in the lodge. Lots of people are coming out. Even 50, 60 women is doing the fashion things. So I like all these women's growing, and I'm expecting more and more and more things in Belgaum.
Yeah, same here. I'm really expecting a more healthy business environment where there is business integrity and clarity of how we want to grow our businesses. I think that is what is needed when it comes to
Yes,
a behavioral etiquette change and mindset change and clarity of business. Like business ideas can be simple and still they can grow based on the quality of it. So
yes, yes, yes.
looking forward to more ideas, more collaborations, and this has been an amazing conversation. Thank you so much, Geeta, for giving your time. I'm sure
Yes.
you have had a lot on your plate today, but thank you for giving this important time. Thank you for addressing women of Belgavi city, and I think it has been both our mission for doing that. So yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. See you.
See you.